Hairstyle, I'm just separating the hair into two portions, the back and the front, in which the back portion is bigger in size and the front portion is just very small. For the back portion, I'm just packing it like so into a bun, doing like a donut kind of packing hairstyle. So that's what I'm doing at the back. And once I just pack the hair, we'll just use a rubber band to secure, and after that we'll just take about just one lock or two.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through.
For the styling, I'm just folding the hair like so, then we'll just take a single lock to just start wrapping it, just taking it round the other part of the locks. So once I get to the end of that particular single lock, we'll continue, we'll take another lock. So the second lock I'm picking is about two. I'm picking two locks, then continue wrapping it, and I'm not doing same direction for the locks. The first locks I was wrapping, I think I was wrapping like right-handed, then the second locks I'm doing like anti-clockwise towards the first lock. So the first locks I did right hand, I was wrapping it towards the right, and then the second locks I'm wrapping it towards the left. Hope you get it. And after that, we'll pick the second portion and do the same to it. Hi again everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in anytime I upload a new video. Please, if you are new here, you know what to do, you know the vibe, you know the normal routine. Just go ahead to click the subscribe button to join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I also want to see a comment on what you want to see up next on this channel. Do not forget to share this video to friends and family. You never can tell who really needs this. Okay, I recently uploaded a video on how to dread, and most of you wanted to see, like, you guys requested that I film a video or a tutorial on how to style dread. Once I'm done wrapping the both section, or once I'm done wrapping the both portions, we just go ahead to style it this way and then use bobby pins to secure it. So the styling in front, I just crossed the both portions, I just crossed them together and then use bobby pins to just secure it.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it.
For the second look, I'm just separating the hairs, getting them ready for styling, and my bond this time around is going to be at the back. So I'm just taking out enough hair that was going to be like a bond, and then just use like a rubber band to just secure it and keep it in place so that I can do the front part and the sides before I go ahead to style the middle and wrap everything together. So now I'm just taking hair, or I'm taking locks out that will help structure and create the bond. So I'm taking out as much as possible, or as much as I can, around the middle part or the middle back hair. So once I'm done with that, we just go ahead to start the flat twisting. But I have already done the flat twisting to the other side of the head. I'm just doing the flat twisting to this side so that you guys will get to see what I'm doing. I have like few more flat twists to do, let's say about 3 or 4 by this side, so I just want you guys to see what I am doing. Now what I'm doing is just like a basket, and I'm trying not to make it too tight so that it won't really pain her, because we just made the hair. So I'm just taking a lock and wrapping it round. So I'm just doing like a basket like I said before. So I'll take one lock, yes, I'll take one lock and then cross it over to the other side, hold it down, and then take another from the other side and cross it over. Take it, I'm not going to be following same direction. Once I take that part, I'm not going to follow the same direction. I'm going to follow like the other side, like anti-clockwise, and then just keep rounding it. So what I really mean is that if I am rounding or taking the lock round from the right side to the left side, once that particular lock gets to the end, I'm going to pick up a new lock, and then instead of taking from the left to the right, I'm going to start taking from the right to the left. Hope you get what I mean. Just watch the video so that you understand it better. That's why I decided to do that, or to show you guys that initial video, because the styling for the first styling is much easier than this. So if you understood the first styling in this video, you will understand what I'm actually doing right now. So you can still go ahead and just watch the first and then come back to watch this so that you understand it better. So once I get to the very last tip, we just take a rubber band, a black one, to just secure the end. So that's what I'm going to still do to the other part of the hair. So first I'm just going to go ahead to do like a basket, or wrap it like a basket, take from one end and cross it over to the other side, take from the other side and cross it over to this other side. So that's what I would do, that's what I'll be doing. Then from there, once I get to, or I do not have more locks to continue crossing, we just start taking the locks round each other, just to create this different look of the lock, so that when I wrap it or wrap it to itself, it will look so seamless and look very fine. Right now, instead of me blabbing or talking too much, because these days most of you are complaining that I talk too much, so instead of me just talking, I just want you guys to just watch the video so that you get a better view and understand what I am doing better. the end. Hope it's helpful. Hope you're able to learn something new from this video. And if you did, just go ahead to give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share the video to friends and family. I'd like to see in the comment section the next video or what you want to see up next on this channel, like the topic you would like to see. Just leave it in the comment section below, and do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up like I said before, and also subscribe if you are new here. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
It's something in the air. It's something